Are you looking for a Father's Day gift? In this video, I will show you the 5 best Father's Day gifts based on my personal opinion and hours of research. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description down below. The 5th product on the list is the Powerbeats Pro wireless earphones. These earphones are perfect for any music fan. Adjustable, secure-fit ear hooks stay in place with multiple ear tip options, and are made to move with you, no matter where you go. Get more than 24 hours of combined playback with the charging case, and use 5-minute fast fuel for 1.5 hours of playback when battery is low. Reinforced design for sweat and water resistance help you make it through whatever your day brings. Autoplay/pause, independent earbud connection via the Apple H1 chip, and full volume and track controls on each earbud mean you're in charge of how you listen. The 4th product on the list is the Segway Ninebot ES1L electric scooter. Seamless design, superior craftsmanship. The vehicle design is seamless, which showcases its superior craftsmanship. The Ninebot kick scooter ES1L's integrated body is manufactured with aerospace-grade aluminum alloy. The fine powder spraying process improves the anti-corrosion ability and makes the texture of the surface smoother to the touch. A clash of classic dark gray and vibrant orange, the most unique color combination. The 3rd product on the list is the Trufflin Sriracha and Ranch VIP set. All dads like good food. This sauce will certainly improve it. These sauces made by Trufflin are made with some of the world's most precious ingredients, so we pack them with the utmost care in our elegant matte deluxe VIP Trufflin box to create an elevated experience from the moment you open your package. The complex balance between the organic blend and the earthiness of the black truffle makes our ranch a great addition to elevate any dish. The ranch is soy-free and naturally preserved. The 2nd product on the list is the Apple Watch SE. The Apple Watch SE is the perfect luxury gift for your dad. An expansive retina display so you can see more at a glance. Advanced sensors to track all the ways you move. Powerful features to keep you healthy and safe. Apple Watch SE is a lot of watch for a lot less than you expected. You'll find dozens of workouts to tap into, including running, walking, yoga, cycling, high-intensity interval training, and dance. With Apple Music, you have 75 million tracks of musical motivation on your wrist. The 1st product on the list is the Aluminum Wallet Plus Money Clip. The minimalist wallet is compact and sleek enough to keep in your front pocket, re-evaluates your everyday carry, and gets rid of the bulk. With expandable band, it accommodates a various number of cards. This exquisite aluminum wallet is suitable for any age, and comes with a beautiful white paper box. It will be a great gift for yourself, your family, or friends. Innovation design with premium carbon fiber and aluminum makes this wallet incredibly slim and light. Meanwhile, the high-strength metal body not only ensures a long service life, but also gives you a unique luxury feeling in touch. Thanks for watching this video. Please leave a like if this helped you out, and if you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. Subscribe for more content, and I hope to see you next time.